y'all get the gist of it. So I'm gonna these are clean to my liking. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to pat them dry, and then I'm going to season them. So y'all give me just a minute, okay? Coffee is ready. So we're gonna go in with some salt. Black pepper. I know my secret weapon, a little cayenne pepper. Just a little. It went a little heavy on the side, so I guess maybe I won't put any on the other side. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of this fresh pepper. Flip them over. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Y'all know I forgot to pat my ribs dry first. Well, it'll be alright. Salt. Low sodium salt, so I'm not using a lot. I know it looks like it, but I promise you that I'm not. Black pepper. I'm going to season both sides of your ribs, guys. I'm going to put just a little bit more. Okay, y'all. They're starting to boil, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and flip them over. I want to get these as tender and pretty much pre-cooked before I put them into the oven. Okay, so that's what they're looking like right now. Again, we're cooking pork ribs, so they're going to be barbecue ribs. All right. Okay guys, this is the halfway point with the ribs. We're gonna flip them. Oops. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna flip them over and I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of that sauce on top. Can y'all see that? Just flip them, that's what they're looking like. And I think we have just enough sauce. So guys, that's the halfway point. We turned the ribs over and we put the remaining sauce. And now we're just gonna cover them back up and they're gonna go back into the oven. And once they are done, I will come back and show you all how good these ribs. And y'all can see, it's a fairly simple process. All right, back in the oven, they're going 400 degrees. All right, guys, I can't wait to show you the finished product. Okay, my YouTubers, family, here are the ribs. They are done. Look at those things. They're falling off the bone. Yeah, they are gonna be so delicious. Anyway, that's my barbecue ribs. My family and I are about to enjoy these. Y'all let me know what you think about the video. How do you make your ribs? Share it with me down in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Kietha T coming at you with another video. And y'all know, y'all be blessed.